Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and here I am with another unboxing. I love unboxings. This unboxing is from CSG Succulents. I purchased some cuttings, so let's see what we have. I will tell you that when I purchased this, they did have a code going on for free shipping. It was the word clippings, so I don't know if it's still going on. You guys can check it out to see. Let me go ahead and open this. I am in my brother's house because I am dog sitting. Roxy over there. See Roxy? So that's why it's a little bit different, and I have to record with one hand. So anyways, so as soon as you get it, there is a paper here explaining to you how to take care of your succulent cuttings, how to prep them, and then how to plant them. So that's really good. So that is awesome. And then I don't know what's in here because they're cuttings. So it'll be a surprise. And they're all well packaged. And there is beautiful wrapping. Look at how cute it is. It reminds me of Easter. Look, it's like Easter eggs in there. An Easter egg hunt. So let's see what this is. This company, it's a family company. It's really nice guy. They have an Instagram and a YouTube channel also. It's CSG Succulents. So let's see what this is. And of course, you know, I am not going to know the names of everything, but so nice. It's a fuzzy one, super cute. You can maybe when you're purchasing, you can add a note to the seller and see if there's maybe a certain cutting that you might be looking for. You can try that, and if they have it, they might be able to help out with that. I actually like getting, like, you know, not knowing what it is, so that's cool. It just feels like a gift, you know? I think that's why we like things like this. Okay, I know this one, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. It's a variegated jade, I think. Super pretty. Look at those colors. Super pretty. My brother has this really nice table. The color is so pretty. Okay. And he has this big old window by the table, so a really awesome lighting coming in. It's just faster if I just unroll like this. I'm so sorry that I have to use one hand, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. So beautiful. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh, so nice, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday. I'm getting over a headache. I just got a headache. This feels chunky. I love chunky. So cute. I don't have this, and I think this is bear's claw. So pretty. I'm so excited to watch these grow. And guys, if you keep up with my YouTube, you know that I've shown the plants that I purchased from them a few months ago, and they're still doing awesome. I have them in my collection. You guys see them every time I update you guys on my succulent greenhouse. I haven't had any issues with his plants. Wow. Look at these. These are some great cuttings, guys. So beautiful. This might be a long video. But if you're like me, you enjoy unboxing videos. And at the end, I'll show all the cuttings together. Don't have this either. Cool, so cool. It looked like it had previously flowered right there at the tip. Let me see if I can focus. It's focusing on other stuff. Hold on, there it is. So pretty. Let me show this one again like that with my hand. There we go. So pretty. Still more. And he loves cactus and succulents just like we do. Let's see. I don't have this either. So cool. So cool. Hold on, let me open my hand. Very nice. Oh, there's something big here. That's big. What is that? Let's see what this is. It's big, guys. It's heavy. Oh, wow. Come out. Oh, so nice. So heavy. Very nice. These take time to root, guys, so you have to be patient with those, okay? See, another big one. This one is big, but it doesn't weigh as much as the other one, so let's see. Ooh, so interesting. I don't have this one. Look at that. It's got a little... Looks like, I don't know if it's from the plant or a spider web, but guys, don't fear spider webs. Spider webs means that they catch your bugs. Any bugs that might be trying to hurt your plants. Okay, here's another one. Okay. Let me open this. Two hands here. So sorry. Ooh, so interesting. Hold on, guys. Let me see one. Look at that. I've never seen this one before. So let me show you these beautiful cuttings. Awesome cuttings, hand-picked by him. Very nice. So pretty. Thank you so much for choosing these awesome cuttings. And guys, go ahead and check his channel and his Instagram. It is CSG Succulent. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. You guys have a blessed day.